Introduction to Google Ads A. The evolution of online advertising B. Understanding Google Ads C. Benefits of Google Ads. Setting up your Google Ads account A. Creating a Google Ads account B. Navigating the Google Ads interface C. Account structure and organization. Defining your advertising goals A. Identifying key objectives B. Setting smart goals C. Aligning goals with business objectives. Keyword research and targeting A. The importance of keywords in Google Ads B. Conducting keyword research C. Keyword match types D. Negative keywords and exclusions. Creating compelling ad copy A. Crafting engaging headlines B. Writing effective ad descriptions C. Utilizing ad extensions D. A/B testing and ad optimization. Understanding ad campaign types A. Search ads B. Display ads C. Video ads D. Shopping ads E. App campaigns. Bidding strategies and budget optimization A. Manual bidding versus automated bidding B. Cost per click, CPC, bidding C. Cost per thousand impressions, CPM, bidding D. Maximizing conversion value with target CPA and ROAS E. Budget allocation and optimization. Ad quality and landing page optimization A. Ad rank and quality score B. Improving quality score C. Creating relevant and persuasive landing pages D. Conversion rate optimization, CRO, techniques. Ad performance tracking and analytics A. Implementing conversion tracking B. Setting up Google Analytics integration C. Key performance indicators, KPIs, for Google Ads D. Analyzing and interpreting data. Remarketing and audience targeting A. Reconnecting with previous visitors B. Building custom audiences C. Similar audience and lookalike audience targeting D. Dynamic remarketing. Ad campaign optimization and split testing A. Analyzing campaign performance B. Identifying areas for improvement C. Split testing and variations D. Multivariate testing strategies. Mobile advertising and app promotion A. Mobile advertising trends and best practices B. Creating mobile optimized ads C. App install and engagement campaigns D. App deep linking. Google Ads extensions and advanced features A. Site link extensions B. Call extensions C. Location extensions D. Promotion extensions E. Advanced audience targeting techniques. Ad policy compliance and best practices A. Understanding Google Ads policies B. Ad content and language guidelines C. Prohibited and restricted content D. Ad disapproval and appeal process. Advanced strategies and tips for success A. Competitive analysis and benchmarking B. Ad scheduling and dayparting C. Geo-targeting and local advertising D. YouTube advertising tactics E. Display network placement targeting. Case studies, successful Google Ads campaigns A. Case study 1, e-commerce store boosts sales by 50% B. Case study 2, local service business increases leads by 80% C. Case study 3, mobile app achieves 1 million downloads. Troubleshooting and problem solving A. Common Google Ads issues and solutions B. Diagnosing performance problems C. Dealing with low quality scores D. Resolving billing and account suspension issues. Future trends and innovations in Google Ads A. Machine learning and automation B. Voice search and smart speakers C. AI-driven ad optimization D. Privacy and data protection challenges. Conclusion, mastering Google Ads for business success A. Recap of key learnings B. Best practices for long-term success C. Embracing continuous learning and adaptation. Please note that this is just an outline for a comprehensive guide on Google Ads. The actual content would provide detailed explanations, strategies, examples, and visuals to support each section and subtopic.